Hello world, here's BT, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today, I am your Shiba INU trading informant. Today is the day for Shiba INU, in my opinion. We will see today a really big thing for Shiba INU. To the upside, to the downside. Where are the targets? Where's the support? Where's the resistance? Should you buy? Should you sell? Should you go long? Should you go short? Should you go long? What's with Ichimoku and what's going on with Shiba INU? We will check this now in this really short analysis from your BT, your Bitcoin trading informant, your Shiba INU trading informant. Guys, let's go. And here it is, Shiba INU on the 1 hour time frame. Before we watch this, really short, watch this guys. Shiba INU now place number 9. Dogecoin place number 10. So Dogecoin is now behind Shiba INU. If you're watching the market cap, you can see it here. It's a really close fight. Look at this, 35.9, 35.6. It's so a hard fight. And it's really amazing. Shiba INU now on the top 10. Amazing for a meme coin. Or guys, let's check this now. This is the triangle I told you. And in my opinion, we will see a breakout today. Why? You can see it here. This red line is the upper line. This red line is the down line. And you can see, yes, we're going up and down in this triangle. And maybe we will see the breakout soon. Where is the target for the breakout? Let me show you. First of all, this is the really important Fibonacci. And you can see, if you're watching this Fibonacci, we are fighting for the moment here on this point. You can see it here. This is really amazing. This support for the moment is holding. This Fibonacci 0.382. And let me tell you, 6,500. This is an important support for Shiba INU. And yes, you can see it. We are respecting this. Shiba INU is respecting this. And for the moment, we are over this support line. If we will fall down under this support, it's possible to see really soon a spike down to 6,200. This is the bottom of this triangle. And then the big question is, will we break out here from this bottom to the downside, here to the downside? Or can we go up here to this upper side here, to the next side here? Here's the big fight with the next Fibonacci, and then the next fight with the next Fibonacci. And where is the target if we can break out? I can show you guys. Let me remove this beautiful drawing. So, okay, and now let's move on. Let's zoom out a little bit. And these targets are old targets. Forget these targets because we have some new targets. The downside to the upside is a line here, and we can use this line for a breakout to the upside. Depends always where we will break out. Maybe here on this point. Yes, then we have a target about this one, 10,000. That's the big thing. Everyone who's in Shiba INU, everyone who's long on Shiba INU would like to see 10,000. The next thing is, if we are breaking down this triangle, is also possible. I think, yes, we are more bullish as bearish on Shiba INU, but it's also possible to break down. And this would be the target about 3,000. You can see this lowest point here on the downside, 2,700, is a big support. But the technical target, if we will break down this triangle to the downside, is 3,000. Guys, let me show you one more thing here. We see here a nice upgoing price for Shiba, a nice pump. And we can make one thing, we can make here this parallel channel. It's going from this point over this point. Look at this. It's a perfect hit to the upside. So guys, this is our parallel channel to the upside. We saw here a nice breakout over the middle line. Remember, the middle line is always very important. We saw a nice breakout over the middle line, down again, breakout over the middle line, down again, and then we never saw a breakout again over the middle line. Here a spike, but here a perfect hit and then down. So the next big things to watch, guys, is this. First of all, we need to stay in this parallel uptrend. If we will fall out from here, we have big problems. We also have big problems if we will fall out under this triangle, guys. Remember this. But if we can break out to the upside, we have targets to watch. First of all, the next big target, if we can break out, is 7,300, because this is the next Fibonacci line. And then look at this. Here is the middle line, 8,500. Depends always where we will hit the middle line. Maybe on this point, 8,800, because this is the last highest point here. So these are the big targets to the upside. Supports to the downside, yes, we have some supports. The next one is 5,800. It's also the perfect hit here. You can see it, 5,800, great support to the downside. And then the Fibonacci lines here, 5,086. And this point is also really important, 4,000, and the technical target to the downside. So guys, you are prepared. If you are breaking out the triangle to the upside, you are prepared for the targets. Maybe it's not the baddest thing to take profit 1, to take profit 2, and take profit 3 here maybe. So always better to take a little bit profit if you're in a long position. If you are on a leverage long position, it's always better to take a little profit as no profit and a lose. All in all, I think it's possible to go up more and more for Shiba Inu. It's a really, really big run for Shiba Inu for the moment. But guys, we have to be prepared for both sides. Not only up and moon, we have to be prepared also if we're going down here. So this is the big thing for the moment on the 1 hour time frame, guys. Let me show you on the 1 hour time frame another stuff. This is the Ichimoku. The Ichimoku is working here really, really nice. We can zoom in a little bit more. You can zoom in a little bit more, and what's going on here. Look at these candles. You can see a blue line here, and this blue line is a 9 length line. These are the 9 last candles. It's average of the 9 last candles, highest point of a candle and lowest point, the middle. So guys, you can see it here. For the moment, we have here big resistance. The blue line is a resistance here on 6,600. The red side line is also a resistance for the moment. So we have here some resistance if you're watching at the Ichimoku, and it's not easy, in my opinion, for Shiba Inu to break through. So guys, we need to watch this. And if we are removing it one more time, you can see on the short time frame, if you're zooming in a little bit more, 15 minutes, watch this, guys. We are zooming a little triangle, and you can trade this little triangle. It's not the baddest thing to watch it from here to the upside like this, and from here to the upside, downside like this. You can see this is a little triangle and a big triangle. And maybe, guys, if we will break out under this resistance, you can make a little short position. If we will break out over this, you can make a little long position. You can trade it in the triangle. You do not have to wait here, oh, what's going on here on 7,000 or what's going on here on 6,000. You can make a trade here because, guys, if you are trading this little triangle to the downside, you can wait here. You can sit and chill and relax what's going on here. If it's going down, nice. Yes, if it's going down, you are since here in a nice short position, or you sold here and you're waiting. If you can rebuy it, it's also possible, guys. And if you can break up from here, you can make a long position maybe here on this point, and you can wait. Okay, nice. We are coming now to our big resistance. What's going on? I can sit and wait because I have a really nice long position on the downside. And if we will break out to the upside, yes, I'm sure I'm long since here and not long since here. So guys, it's always better to trade before it break out. This is a little tip from me, and I'm trading like this. I'm not always waiting for a breakout here on the upside because maybe we are retesting it. Maybe we are going up like this point here, down to this point. So I'm deeper as my entry. Maybe I set a stop loss, but we are retesting this, and after this we are going up. So I'm out of the trade, and this is not good as a trader, guys. So remember this little triangle, and remember what's going on here. The targets here are really clear. First of all, 6,500 to the downside, and the next depends always where we will hit the upper side. Maybe if we can go up again, 6,700. If we go up over 6,700, it would be maybe nice to set a long position with a stop loss, guys. Okay, stop loss. So, okay, one thing I will show you before we end this video, 10 minutes, but I will show you this one. This is the 4-hour time frame. Let me show it to you. And on the 4-hour time frame, we can check here the ribbon band. Ribbon band is also really, really important. And if you're zooming in, you can see, yes, for the moment, let's remove this stuff. We are fighting with this ribbon band. We are now in the ribbon band. As we saw this nice pump to the upside, we never saw here a confirmed closing candle in the ribbon band. Here, we saw it, and now we are, since this point, on the 4-hour time frame, acting in the middle line. This is important, guys. We need to fight back the ribbon band, and this is really, really important. Let me show you here also the Ichimoku. Here is the red one, here is the blue one. These are both lines a big resistance for the moment, and they are over us. So this is a resistance. Now, what's going on? Last but not least, on the daily. Let me check on the daily, the ribbon band. And you can see, oh, on the ribbon band, we have so much place to the downside. So guys, if we will go down here to 3,000, we are still in a nice pump. Remember this. We can go down to 3,000. We can go down to 2,000. We see the last line here, and we are always in a long position. So it's possible to go down here to stay in the Shiba if you are in a long position, to stay in. And after this, we see maybe a next leg to the upside. But we will like to trade this one. If we're going down, we will like to trade it, and we like to short to 3,000. We will like to sell here and rebuy here on 3,000. That's the thing of a daily trader, and not to wait and sit here what's going on. So guys, we may see a breakout of this parallel channel to the upside, and if we breaking down, you know the targets, guys. So last but not least, remove every drawings, remove the ribbon band, and let me show you one thing. Ichimoku. Where is the big support to the downside? First of all, this is the blue line. This is the 9 lengths Ichimoku. 5,795 is the big support, and if we will lose it, the next one is this one, 5,300. It's the red line. So guys, you know now really everything what it's really important for Shiba Inu in my opinion. Watch the triangle, watch the breakout, have good luck, and guys, it doesn't matter if you go short or if you go long. I wish you make millions with your trade. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Please, if you like this stuff, give me a thumbs to the upside. If you don't like it, yes, give me a thumbs to the downside, but please tell me what is the big problem. What do you don't like? Is it my English? Is it my person? Or is it a bullshit what I am telling you here? It's not a nice TA, it's bullshit. Tell me what's the problem if you don't like it, guys. So have a nice time. Greetings. Your SPD, your Bitcoin trading informant, your Shiba Inu trading informant. Bye, guys. Very important, I'm not a financial advisor. It is not a financial advice. Bye.
System activated.